employee engagement is this huge problem in the US. I'm sure it is actually worldwide, but if you have people who are not engaged in what they do and they don't enjoy what they do, or they don't find interest in what they do, they're not productive. They're gonna, if their network allows it, they'll be off looking at Facebook and Twitter and, not actually doing the things that as an organization you need them to do. So if you can figure out a way to get them more engaged, get your employees more excited about what they're doing, they're more likely to stay focused and you're getting higher productivity out of them when you do that. So you have to kind of identify what your end users care about and what your employees care about, and make sure that when you add game mechanics, you're rewarding them for the things that they want to be rewarded for, and that you're recognizing them in ways that they want to be recognized. I think one of the biggest challenges for us at Oracle is getting engagement from our higher ups in the idea that game mechanics are just good principles of usability and user experience. And that if we integrate those, that will help our employees be more engaged with what they want to do, or in our case, more with our customers. I had a lot of skeptics in our organization when I first brought the idea of gamification forward. And one of the biggest things that I was trying to do is get my organization to see that this was just really an offshoot of what we already do. That we have a goal to be innovators within the organization, and in order to stay innovative, we need to understand these different spaces. But there were people who saw my first talk and came back and said, I still don't buy it. And it wasn't until we had our big design jam that people really started to see the value and what you could do. What surprised me most is that now having spent more time looking at them, how many places I see game mechanics added to systems in ways that are subtler, so it doesn't jump out as a game mechanic right away. I mean, that's really, it's sort of like if you buy a yellow car, you'll see yellow cars everywhere all of a sudden, because now you're watching for them. I think what I've noticed is, the surprising thing I've noticed is how many places there are things going on that are basically game mechanics, even if that wasn't their intention, but that they've added those basic principles and those mechanics to systems in a way that it's really just added a game layer to it, and they didn't maybe intend to do that, but it's there. So.